wants to answer to our children or our children's children. What was it like when America was free? That's what we're here for. That's what we're going to preserve. That shining city on a hill that is the United States of America.
This is a group of guys I ride motorcycles with. It's the Sons of Liberty Riders. I've been riding motorcycles for 57 years. And Roy, you have a presentation to make to Senator Cruz.
Thank you, Mel. I represent the Sons of Liberty Riders, this bunch over here. We're a national association with over 7,000 members. Our motto in the Sons of Liberty Riders is acta non verba, action, not words. Senator Cruz, in the last year, you have embodied that phrase in Washington. You have brought action and determinants welcome to words. It's an honor, sir, to give you an honorary membership in the Sons of Liberty Riders and to present this Constitution of People of this. And the next time a few thousand bikers show up in your neighborhood, you can dress accordingly.
Well, thank you. That is fantastic. I will confess, I suspect a geeky lawyer from Houston is not nearly cool enough to wear that.
Oh, yeah, you can wear it.
I'm pretty sure the motto in Congress is verba non acta.
Wear it on the Senate floor.
And we need to get 99 other U.S. senators embodying your motto of actions and not words.